Here we are asked to factor the polynomial by grouping. And the reason we're going to factor by grouping is because if we look through all of our different possibilities here, there's no greatest common factor. It's not a trinomial, so I can't use a diamond and box. It's not a binomial, so I can't use my special formulas. But I can factor by grouping here, or I can at least check to see if I can. So if I look at these here, I'm going to look at them in groups of 2 here, and then factor out the greatest common factor. So in this one here, between these two, looks like the greatest common factor is x squared, which leaves us with just x plus 2 on the inside. On the right side here, it looks like I have a greatest common factor of 3, which again leaves us with x plus 2. So if we see this here as x plus 2 and x plus 2, if they're the same, that's great because then we can think of it like a greatest common factor here and pull that out of our equation. So what that looks like is I have x plus 2 now in the front and x squared plus 3, which is left over. Now, if the reason that this works here is that if I were to take x plus 2 and distribute it, I'd multiply x plus 2 by x squared, which, look, this is where we were at here, and x plus 2 times 3, which is where we were at here. So factor by grouping is just putting things together and then using the greatest common factor to help us get to our factored form here.